Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums. Ritvik Arora, who is all set to be a part of Star Plus show Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai spin-off, engaged in a candid chat with us, and here we found out from him about the show, his character and much more. So let's begin. Starting up, Ritvik, tell us how has it been going since the new show will go on Floor soon?
It's going pretty busy these days because I'm flying to Delhi and back to Bombay, and then hopefully we are going somewhere also for the shoot. And shoot start होने को ही है बस, and we're just getting into the zone. सबको एक दूसरे को जान रहे हैं और पहचान रहे हैं, and सबकी उम्मीद बहुत है कि it's gonna be a big hit.
Ye Rishta has set a benchmark. How do you feel to be a part of it?
I've been my family has been watching Rishta since I was in school, so it's been 10 years, and I feel so privileged to be a part of its spin-off that I can't even tell you, because my mother has been so connected with Hina Khan as Akshara and Naitik. Everyone knows the characters so well, and they'll be seeing me, their own son, in a spin-off of that show. It's really a good feeling.
Do you feel the pressure?
I used to be pressurized when I first came into this industry, but then eventually I learned कि pressure लेने से कुछ होता नहीं है, जो होना है वो तो वैसे भी होना है. So I think you just need to keep doing your best and just keep doing what you're doing with your full heart, and बाकी जो होना है वो तो होना ही है. But yes, we are hopeful. We expect a lot from this show, because as it is कि 10 साल की एक repo बनी हुई है, एक goodwill बनी हुई है, that this is a good show. So obviously we have to take that forward, not only stand up to it but take that forward.
Since the show will be multi-starrer, do you think there are chances of getting overshadowed?
Not exactly, because it's been my thing in my last show also. कोई भी नया नहीं था. Everyone was like experienced 10 years or more. Jannat was experienced, she was working from 10 years at such a small age. And plus Rahil sir, I've been watching him as Hatim since I was in first or second, I think. So इतना experience के बाद भी, I think the biggest advantage I have is to learn from them. Because when you're on set, really it does not matter, because people might say कि competition है, ये है, वो है. But when you're on set, there's always a very healthy atmosphere, and you get to learn so much. तो मैं अपने आप को बहुत lucky मानता हूँ कि पहले मैं राहिल सर और जन्नत जैसे co-stars मिले मुझे, जिनसे मैंने इतना सीखा. And obviously एक वो अपने अंदर भी एक मोटिवेशन आ जाती है टू स्टैंड अप टू देम, टू स्टैंड अप टू द मार्क, एंड कि उनके सामने हल्का ना लगे, बिकॉज द ग्राफ ऑफ द शो हैज़ टू मेंटेन. सो आपकी वजह से कुछ भी नीचे नहीं जाना चाहिए, एंड दैट हेल्प मी अ लॉट इन माय लास्ट शो. सो अभी भी द स्टेक्स आर वेरी हाई, बिकॉज शाहिल सर इज वर्किंग लाइक he's been known as the SRK of the TV industry. So I have a big challenge to for myself to stand up to this mark, and to be in front of him, and but he's a really nice person. I've got to know him, and he's great.
How has the experience been while shooting?
We have had 1 or 2 mock shoots and couple of photo shoots, but then जितना भी हुआ है उसमें से I'm really liking this cast, and it has a very positive vibe as of such. So yes.
How has your equation been with the co-actors?
I have not met Riya as such. I have met Shahi Sheikh, and we are already going into the brothers zone, because we were joking around, and बहुत जल्दी एक दूसरे को जानने को मिल गया, and ऐसा होता नहीं है in fact, because in my last show it took me a long time to know the co-stars, but then अभी Shahid sir and me are like bonding really well, and we hope कि ये bond बहुत ज़्यादा strong हो, and the brothers वाली chemistry you get to see on screen as much as off screen.
Ishbaz also had a spin-off which did not work, so your take on that?
See, I think if the content is good, things will work, and ऐसा नहीं है कि कुछ set है ही नहीं. मतलब if I talk about Bollywood and in Tollywood, कुछ set है ही नहीं, because अगर आपका content अच्छा है, अगर आप पूरे दिल से कर रहे हो, the thing will have to work. Because आपने अब जैसे मुझे एक spin-off करना है, I can also name a few spin-offs जो बहुत ही hit हुए, जो मतलब अभी top पे चल रहे हैं. But then ऐसा ही होता है कि if your content is good, if you're doing the work you're doing with full heart and full confidence, I think it will work.
What reviews have you received from fans and family?
The family was very happy to see me in such a show that they've been following since so many years, and my friends are also happy. Plus the fans expect a lot, because Tu Aashki was a big hit, and but then इसमें fans मेरी लुक एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, मेरा कैरेक्टर एक्सपेक्ट नहीं कर सकते, बिकॉज इट्स वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम व्हाट आई हैव डन बिफोर. इट्स कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट.
Lastly, tell us something about your character.
The character, see, I can't tell you much because it's still in the making zone. But then, look puri change hai. I've matured as a person, as an actor, and I think this character is a much more mature character than Ahan was. And maybe you can say he's also emotionally strong and supportive of everyone. And plus, he's not like a shabby kind of a guy, and he's always very neat and clean and tucked in. And it's a great character. You'll have to see him. Hi, this is Ritvik Arora and you're watching me on India Forums.
India Forums wishes Ritvik all the best. Ashima Chavda, camera person Babaji, India Forums, Mumbai.